Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of hairstyles that are so cool and so different, and they will add more beauty to your look. All these hairstyles are best suited for the different length hair. It depends on which type of the hair you want to tie these. All these are best suited for the straight silky length hair, and see how I'm going to make this simple hairstyle out of just few twist turns and you are done in few seconds. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step and you can follow the each step carefully. Talk about the difficulty level of this type of the hairstyle, then this one is medium difficult. You just have to give some of the twists and the turns. You just have to tie the rubber bands at different locations as apparent on your screens. Just pause the video and have a clear look and try to follow the each step in a sequential manner. Here I am just tying up this braid and then I will give it an internal twist and will tuck it up using bobby pins, then decorate it with some of the fancy pins. Let's move further towards another hairstyle. First you just have to make a high ponytail. After that you just have to pull it towards the upper portion, and now I'm inserting this fancy hairpin as shown here. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused and follow the each step in a sequential manner. This type of the hairstyle is best suitable for the long length hair, and if I will talk about the time consumption, then it will take almost 2 to 3 minutes if you are pro in making such type of the hairstyles. At the beginning it will take much more time, but once you have practice you can just make it within few minutes. You see, I'm just making some of the classical braid from both the ends. Once you are done, you just have to fix them properly in a zigzag type manner, in a circular manner, and it looks so good and nice. Just give it a try. This is so cool, decorated with some of the fancy hairpins. Let's move further with another hairdo. Here I'm taking some of the hair and I'm fixing it at the proper place using the rubber band. You can see I'm just pulling some of the hair strands towards the upper portion so that it will add up some of the volume and give it a puffy hairdo. Now I'm taking some of the hair and just fixing it using the another rubber band. I have to give the internal twist and then in a zigzag manner and in a twisting manner I'm fixing it in the proper place. This type of the hairstyle is little bit difficult because you have to remain focused while you are giving some of the twist. You just have to be careful, but it's very less time consuming activity. Let's move further for the another hairstyle. I'm taking the hair from the two different sides and I'm just fixing them with using this rubber band. Once it's done, I have to give it an internal twist and the rest of the hair is to be tied up as shown on your screens. See how I am just fixing it in the proper position. Once you are done with this thing, you just have to take another rubber band and fix it at the central position as apparent on your screens. Then again give it an internal twist as shown here. If I will talk about the difficulty level of this type of the hairstyle, then this one is very easy. It's best suitable for those who have long length hair and voluminous hair. You may require some rubber bands, bobby pins for this one, and it looks so good. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.